Hey guys, welcome to ProBuild YouTube channel. So today we will be in discussion with this 3D model and it looks really cool. Something like you can find two section views here. One is A-A and another is B-B, and another model is that they have given the bottom view, which is very different. And in today's video I'll be teaching you different kind of hole operation that can also be made as an hole, as a part of hole instead of revolve operation. So let's go on to this part. So selecting MMNS part solid absolute method. I'm going to start up with this section A-A. So this looks like a front view, so I'm going for the front view, going for a revolve option to make it very convenient. Switch off the plane display. Now place 3D center line along y-axis. So draw a small vertical line and you can see here the dimensions. Actually this is 4 and its major dia is 69. So after fixing this I shall draw remaining in a freehand sketch so that it goes up accordingly. This is 4, yeah, this is 4. Now I need to draw up with a freehand sketch. I'm going here right away and a small step upside down. So connect this. Now arrange accordingly. So you need this one and this overall height. So this step dimension is given here as 43 and overall above which is given as 44. This is actually 43 and this is 44. Okay. And this elevation is 2.5, so go for dimensions, click here 2.5 and overall is 34.8. so overall is 34.8. That's all ready. Now just click OK. I'm going to teach you the holes operation in a very different way. So before entering into hole, you can see the diagram here. Actually this is a different kind of hole which is not predefined. So you can't go for an hole and select the predefined button and just enter the values and place the hole, align them in a proper way, just in a concentric way, so to establish the 3D model of an hole. Else we need to sketch it in a different platform and just bring it that file to this whole operation and implement here. So we shall go for a sketch. I am choosing right plane, go for sketch, make this 2D, change to hidden line, switch off the plane and select this as my reference. Go for 3D center line, just make it in coincide with this y-axis. Now I'm going to draw the sketch. You can find here the hole. So the hole's diameter is 24.5 actually, but you can find here one circle of radius r1 on either sides. At offsetted distance from top and bottom is 2.5 mm. So for easy convention I'm going to draw a straight line all the way down here and draw a circle, and here the same circle. This is of radius 1, so its circle diameter is going to be 2. From here it is going to be 2.5 from here it is going to be 2.5, and the overall diameter is 24.5, so 24.5 divided by 2, 12.25. Now connect the sketch. I need to delete the overlapping segments, so delete this as well, so it becomes closed loop. Now go for a save mode, save the sketch. Okay, just cancel the sketch option. Now switch on the plane. Okay, now go for an hole. Instead of selecting this predefined buttons, go for a fifth option named sketch. Under settings, go open existing sketch, select the sketch you have drawn, go for an open, and in the placement tab select the top surface so you can find the improper hole. But once you align with the surface, you can find the actual drawing. So I'm going to make this clip align with this plane and with this plane. So to make this concentric, I'm going to make it align. So once aligned, you can find the sketch that I have made in the sketch domain, sketch module. Okay, so you can also make any complex hole through this option. So you need not want to go for an revolve operation for making this kind of hole. Now I'm going to take a chord here, so actually it's offsetted from my center plane to the end is going to be 26. So select this surface, go for an extrude, and project this line, so draw a line, delete this segment. Okay, now from top to bottom, from this reference to this reference is going to be 26. Okay, now remove the material, so I'm going for to select it, select the surface, remove the material. Okay, now and another hole, and this is named as countersink. It is placed right away from the bottom of the surface, from the bottom surface of the part, and this can also be placed without the PC, that is pitch circle diameter. I'll be teaching you how. So without drawing the pitch circle diameter, you need to draw this circle properly. So select the bottom surface, that's very important because the countersink is from the bottom surface of this part actually, and you can find this 3 equidistant countersinks of dia 12. I've given only this dia, the upper circle, the smallest circle dimension is actually missing, so let me assume that. So select the surface, go for an hole. First I need to draw an pitch circle diameter, instead which I'm going to connect this clip to my axis so that it becomes the radial it just becomes the radial data, and make another clip aligned to any one of the planes so that it becomes 0. So I'm going to connect this to this plane. Okay, now make this aligned so that it becomes concentric, so that it becomes aligned to this plane. And here I'm going to switch, my pitch circle diameter is 56 actually, so half of which is going to be 56 divided by 2. 56 divided by 2. Okay, now I need to change the standard, so go for simple standard countersink. In shape This is 90 and I'm going to change this as 12. Go for this blind option up to this selected surface. So you can find here the bottom, this is countersink, and above is the hole. So just click OK. Now to make this pattern, select this hole to go for pattern, select axis pattern and select my axis. Now by default it occurs 4 members, so I'm going to change this for 3. Instead going for 360 degree, I'm going to choose here 120 degree because it is equidistant. So I could find my 3 spots, my 3 circles here. So just click OK. Yeah, my part is completely ready. Now I need to go for chamfer. So here they have mentioned as 2 into 45 degree. So go for angle into D. This is 45 and this is 2. Just select the edge. Now go for end view. Select any one color. So my part is completely ready. So kindly please do subscribe my channel for future videos. Yeah guys, thank you.